Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing a super interesting and exciting series to you guys. It's going to be how to basically grow and strengthen your hair using Ayurveda oils and herbs. In the past, when I was transitioning to natural, I did discover Ayurveda oils and I used them here and there, specifically Amla and Brahmi, which I will get into in later videos. And I definitely did notice significant amounts of growth and a decrease in the amount of hair that I was shedding, which is like, hello, thank you, this is what you want for your hair. So today we're going to be talking about henna. Henna is really good for your hair, and there are several videos on YouTube and articles and everything like that talking about how it promotes hair growth and it will really help your hair grow rapidly. Now I will link below where I got this henna powder from, but this is the Nipur henna. It's 100% natural henna, and I don't know how much it is in here, but you don't use the whole thing at once, so this will get you a few uses out of it. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make and process this henna powder, how to apply it onto your hair, and then talk to you guys a little bit more about how often you should do it. But this is the first video in this series, so if you guys are interested in growing your hair, making it stronger, reducing shedding, improving your hair texture, making it shinier, any of those things, keep on watching. Okay, so you're going to start by pouring the henna into your container or your bowl. I'm using maybe about a 1/4 cup of henna powder. I'm adding the avocado oil, the rest of it in the container, just a little bit of coconut oil, and I'm not measuring any of my ingredients, just kind of eyeballing them. Some Jamaican black castor oil, some safflower seed oil, olive oil, honey to give it a boost of moisture, and then I'm going to be adding just a little bit of lukewarm water. You're going to give all your ingredients a stir, and so I'm stirring my ingredients up because henna is very, very messy. I don't want the consistency to be too loose and goopy, so as I'm stirring it up, I'm just trying to get for the right consistency. And since it's still a little bit too loose for me, not quite as clay kind of that I want it to be, or thicker, I'm going to add a little bit more henna to it. And that's more like the desired consistency that I want for the mixture. Then you're going to cover your mixture with aluminum foil just to kind of seal it and allow it to process. You're going to allow it to process for 3 hours. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair into 4 sections. I usually work with my hair in 4 sections, but this is just going to make it easier for me to work with my hair when I apply the henna. And I'm already wearing gloves because henna is very messy and it will stay in your skin and your nails and all that, but there's actually nothing in my hair right now. And so now what I'm doing is I'm just spritzing my hair with water so it's damp. This will make it easier for me to apply the henna mask when it's ready. So here is our henna. It's been 3 hours. It's now completely processed. So I'm just going to begin by applying it all over each section, starting at the roots and then working it through the length of my hair down to the tip. And if you work with your hair in sections, it just makes it easier to ensure that you're getting the mask applied all over your hair. Then you're just going to put on your plastic shower cap, and once you've got those on, you are going to allow the mask to sit on your hair for about 3 more hours. Now this is the henna all washed out of my hair. My hair is super moisturized, the curls are defined, there is no product in there right now, and my hair looks and feels amazing. Okay guys, so I need to give y'all the tea on this henna hair mask that I just did. So right now my hair actually has in the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream that I just kind of briefly showed you guys that I was using. If you're interested in my review on that, there will be a separate video link down below for you guys so you guys can see that. But for now, we're going to be talking about the henna. So I had done a lot of research on henna and I had really been enthusiastic to try it. So I went ahead and bought some like right away after I did, after I watched several videos and after I watched several videos and did a lot of reading up on it on the internet, I went ahead and bought some henna powder online. I bought the same henna powder that I saw a lot of people recommend in their own YouTube videos. So I will link that below for you guys if you're interested. But henna is supposed to be really good for basically growing your hair fast, because what it does is, if it's 100% natural henna, it has a lot of amazing ingredients in it that really make your hair super healthy, and which in the end promotes hair growth. Other things about henna, it's supposed to tint your hair. I don't have a tint, I don't think. I think it only tints your hair if it's lighter. I don't really see one. Maybe I have one, I really don't know. Not sure, I don't think so. Another thing it's supposed to do is improve your hair texture, but some people say it does also loosen your hair texture. I'm not sure I've seen that, but what I will say is it definitely improved my hair texture, because just from me rinsing it out in the shower, I could feel like how hydrated it was, and I could feel like the definition of every single curl, which is not something that happens for me when I'm washing my hair. Like if I'm washing my hair, I'm getting, you know, a curl here, a curl there, unless I'm detangling in the shower or detangling afterwards or adding some sort of product or gel to my hair. I'm not getting really good definition off water alone as I wash it. Like that's like not a thing for me. But that was happening when I used the henna mask. Now, the henna mask already had all those awesome ingredients in it. In addition to that, you guys saw in my henna mixture, I added my own oils, I added honey, I added aloe vera juice. And these are all things that I wanted to utilize in order to make my henna mask better. So basically when I was washing my hair or washing out the henna mask, I did not pick up the brush at all. I have not picked up the brush today. Like from when I was applying the henna to when I rinsed it out to even when I put in the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream collection, I have not touched a brush. I have been finger detangling or just separating my curls, or probably just really running my fingers through them. Like I have not been detangling, and I don't know if that's the henna, but I'm gonna attribute it to the henna because that's the only thing I've done differently today. But yeah, I mean, there was ease of detangling. Like I definitely should have had some knots, simply off the fact that it's been a few days since I've detangled my hair, and usually I detangle it before I wash it because it makes it easier for me to wash. But I didn't do any detangling. I just went straight up with the mask, and my like curls did not fight with me. Like they came out looking popping. So the next thing I noticed when I was washing my hair was the lack of shedding. Now my hair does not shed a lot. My hair is actually extremely healthy, and I don't get a lot of shedding, but usually when I haven't detangled, I notice more hair than usual. When I was doing this mask and rinsing this mask out, I was running my fingers through my hair, raking, detangling, all that stuff with my fingers, with my hands. And I'm looking at like 4 pieces of hair, and they're small pieces. Now I've read that henna is supposed to like reduce your hair fall and reduce the shedding. I didn't know it worked on the first try. Like, hello? Why haven't people been talking about this? Like literally, I touch my hair so much and I'll get like so many curls. And that's only if I haven't detangled. If I've detangled, it's fine. But if I haven't detangled, then my hair is super knotted and it's all crazy and I get a lot of like shed. But like, it's really, really rare for me to touch my hair and get one piece. I don't even know if you guys can see this piece of hair. No, it's so fine. But literally I got one piece. Like, for me to have not detangled, that's crazy. Now, the other thing I noticed, I don't know if I mentioned the curl definition already, but curl definition, for sure, I think I probably already talked about it, but I'm going to talk about it again because it's curl definition. Like, literally no product. No product. No product. And the curls was popping. Like, who, Henna, who told you to do that? Like, oh, I'm so thankful. My hair also felt really, really hydrated and moisturized, which is probably a combination of the ingredients in the henna and the mixture that I used. And yeah, I think that's all I noticed. Basically what I'm going to be doing is, this is all part of my like Ayurveda hair growth series, but I'm going to be opting to do the henna treatment once a month, and the first week of the month, and then for the 3rd week of the month, I think, I haven't quite decided yet, but I'm pretty sure for the 3rd week of the month I'm going to do an amla, a neem, or a brahmi treatment, which I will introduce to you guys in one of my next few videos. But I will be updating you guys each month with how much my hair is grown, and I'll include a picture from what it was before, so I'm definitely going to take a picture of this. But I mean, honestly, if you haven't tried henna yet and you're fighting with your hair on moisture, curl definition, shedding, anything like that, I would just give it a shot, in all honesty. But just make sure you do your research, make sure you make a nice moisturizing concoction and you really rinse it all out and get your hair super, super clean, and then make sure you hydrate it afterwards, because it is possible for henna to get very, very dry on your hair and leave your hair feeling crappy, and it's supposed to feel amazing. So yeah. Like I said, I will link below for you guys where you can get the henna. I will also link below for you guys my video on the Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream collection. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'm probably going to keep showing off clips of my hair because my hair is popping. And I know y'all see it. Thank you, henna. If I get some growth off this, I'm going to be too pressed. The henna was like $4. And I'm like, if y'all telling me it's products out here give me $4 and grow my hair, I'm gonna be upset. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.